In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner to uncover your toolbar. Then use those three dots at the top right one. Hit Themes over here and tap on one of those under Gallery or Yours. Then go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time select Customized option at the top right corner. Then hit Start, choose Add Image, and tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Like for example, maybe this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Then select Done at the top right corner. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner as well. So when I go back and check my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!